Hello. On this channel, I have shared beautiful hairstyles, inspiration, and ideas for natural hair, coily hair, and even afro hair. But then what happens when that beautiful hairstyle you made is old and is ready to be taken down? How do you take down old weaves or braids? So I thought it is a good idea to show you how to loosen old weaves or take down old braids. This is the same principle or method you would also use to detangle natural or coily hair. And I guarantee that there will be no crying, there will be no headaches. You or your kid will not experience any form of difficulty or discomfort generally. And most importantly, you will see little or no breakage. If you follow these instructions and steps you're going to be seeing in this video, I guarantee that it's going to be a smooth experience when you take down old hair or old weaves or old braids. Trust me. So if you notice from the onset, I have been spraying water on the hair. You can see I am spraying water while taking off the beads, spraying water at every point in time. That is literally it, guys. Water is the secret. The whole idea is keep the hair as moisturized as possible, as damp as possible. So I will keep spraying water at every point while removing the hair clips or beads. I'm going to spray water just to soften the hair and keep it moisturized. You can see that my daughter looks comfortable. She's not showing any sign of discomfort or pain. That's because the hair is properly damp and so it's soft and I can go through it smoothly. Now, take a good look at what I am going to be doing. This part of the weave is also like braids, right? Remember, I have sprayed the hair with water. I'm now going to go gently with a sharp-edged comb. I don't know what this comb is called. And I'm just going to go through it gently like so. And at a point, use the hand to, free it up and keep going through. And then it gets to a point where you can then switch to a comb with a thicker tail, right? So this is what I'll keep doing, and when it feels dried, I go ahead and spray more water and I just keep going smoothly and easily. Keep in mind at a point the video might be sped up, so if you see my hand going fast, just know that the video is sped up so I don't bore you. But you can see now I have switched the comb or the brush to a comb with a fatter edge. That's because I'm getting to the point of the weave that is on her head, so I don't poke her head with the pointy, sharp-tailed brush or comb, if you know what I mean. It also gets to a point where you see a need to use your fingers to continue loosening it. And then I keep spraying. Guys, the whole idea is keep spraying, use your fingers to free it up gently. Sometimes what I also do is that at every point I lose, I also comb. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to focus on loosening it so you understand how it works. So you see, starting off with the comb with the pointy tail, and then I go gently, and then at a point I switch to a comb with a fatter or a thicker tail. This is how to do it, guys. Spray with water, make sure the hair is damp, and go gently with the comb or your fingers and keep going gradually, and trust me, you will not see breakage, and even if there is, it's just going to be very little. And at the end of the day, happy mama or papa and happy child, right? The hair is nicely detangled that I can even comb it with a small comb. And guys, can you see? Very little breakage, almost nothing. So this is how you get the job done. I am repeating the same process on the other side of the head. Same principle, and trust me, very effective results. And by the way, if you're looking for beautiful hairstyle inspirations and ideas, I have a whole playlist dedicated to hairstyle inspirations for coily hair and afro hair. You should check it out to draw inspiration on back to school hairstyles or how to style your hair or even that of your children. I will also be sharing a video on how to wash your hair or that of your children, especially coily hair, properly without damage or breakage, because it's not just about loosening the hair, right? How do you then wash it? I'm going to be sharing a video on how to do that, so please look out for the video. And guess what? There is also going to be a video of a full hair care routine process. So from loosening the hair all the way to making a new hair. It's going to be like a hair transformation video. And trust me, you will enjoy it and you will get more ideas. And of course, learn a lot while I show you how we take good care of our hair. This hair you're seeing right here has its process and its care instructions or routine. Even though her hair might not be the same texture as yours or that of your kids, but I am positive that you are going to draw inspiration and ideas on how to go about creating your hair care routine for yourself or your kids. So please look out for the videos and remember to share, like, and please comment if you have a question or if you have suggestions you would like to share in the comment section. Remember to keep it kind, respectful, and gracious. And yes guys, please check out my videos and my playlist. You will see beautiful, easy to make hairstyles, and I even have headscarf tutorials and ideas too. Guys, this channel is basically to inspire you and to share ideas with you. So trust me, when you visit my channel, you are definitely going to leave with something you would find helpful in one way or the other. So you can see we have finished loosening the hair. It went smoothly. I am happy. My daughter is happy. The hair is happy, and we are all happy. And that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Yours truly, Princess.